That's my squirrel making the clicking noises. Allie's the really loud snorer. And there's Scrappy's little snorer. So many loud animals.